Namaskar children, this is Disha ma'am and yes, we are going to learn English. I hope you guys enjoyed yesterday's video. Yesterday there was no classwork, no homework, right? Today, as I told you yesterday in my video, today we will be going to do idioms which was remaining when we completed chapter number 8. Now first of all, take out page number 124, page number 124, yes. Now, write today's date. Let us start idioms. Idioms are expressions that do not mean exactly what the words say. Their meanings are hidden. Means हिंदी में जैसे आपके पास मुहावरे होते हैं, right? Same way in English we have idioms. What is it? Idioms means it does not convey the same meaning which the words say. जो वर्ड्स उसमें यूज किए जाते हैं वो सेम मीनिंग वो मीन नहीं करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हिंदी में अगर आप देखें तो लोहे के चने चबाना, वी हैव ऑलरेडी हर्ड दैट, राइट? सो लोहे के चने चबाना माने कोई चबा सकता है लोहे का चना? नो, इट इज जस्ट एन ईडियम दैट सेज द बॉटम लाइन विच से मुहावरे का अर्थ क्या है? तो अर्थ ये है कि बहुत मुश्किल काम होना, राइट? इन द सेम वे मैं अगर बोलूं I saw a tiger and my hair stand on end means मेरे बाल खड़े हो गए. Now, do you think बाल खड़े हो सकते हैं? Except शॉक लगा हो तो? Of course not, right? So it is just again an idiom which means there is something which scares you, which makes you afraid. Right, so let us study some idioms from this chapter. We are almost home. I shall look on the bright side. See, look on the bright side माने हमेशा positive चीजें दिखनी चाहिए. The line is look on the bright side. The meaning is be positive and cheerful. I am over the moon. Extremely happy. I am over the moon means extremely happy. Just thinking about that giant fish makes me go weak at the knees. Weak at the knees माने मैं डर जाता हूँ. I'm getting nervous. Looking at those big waves makes my hair stand on end. Scares me. My hair stand on end. जैसे मैंने आपको बोला था stand on end माने खड़े हो जाते. That means it scares me. Right? चलिए. Now let us begin the exercise. So you guys understood what are idioms? Idioms are muhavre in Hindi. Idioms are the expressions that exactly don't mean to the words what they are used for. Right? कुछ और meaning निकलता है. Their meanings are hidden. Right? चलिए. So let us first begin. For the given meanings, find out the matching idioms from the story of Sinbad. इसके लिए पहले तो आपको एक बार स्टोरी पढ़नी पड़ेगी. तो मैंने एक बार पढ़ ली है. सो आई वुड सजेस्ट यू ऑल्सो टू एटलीस्ट रीड द स्टोरी वंस. इसमें जो भी ऑड लेटर्स ऑड ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स लिखे लगेंगे ना वो आपको पता चल जाएगा दे आर idioms. Now, for a long distance, see I'll tell you. अब मैं सीधा नहीं बताऊंगी, मैं आपको घूम घूम के बताऊंगी तो आपको पता चले. यू रिमेंबर दिस थिंग. There was water in every direction as far as the eye could see. क्या है इसमें idiom? Yes, do you realize that this word as far as the eye could see माने जहां तक नजर जाए, as far as the eye could see, right? So you have to write the answer over here. As far as the eye could see. As far as the eye. Eye means जहाँ तक नजर जाती है, right? This is an idiom. This is the meaning for a long distance, right? Now, a thing or event that gives joy or happiness. बहुत खुश हो जाते हो. You feel happy. This is again over here. The island was a joy to behold, right? It was a joy to be. We have already underlined it. So it is a joy to behold. Very, very happy about something. The thing which gives you happiness. ये बहुत दिनों से ये लोग सेल कर रहे थे. Once when they saw the island, it was a joy to behold, right? चलिए move to the third one. Used to say someone is extremely hungry. मेरे पेट में चूहे दौड़ रहे हैं, right? And if you remember, we have already discussed this thing. ये see, I have underlined this. I've made you underline also. I could eat a horse. माने horse खा सकते हैं? Do you think it is possible? No, right? So it is an idiom. I could eat a horse. I could eat a horse. So the meaning is used to say someone is extremely hungry. When you are hungry, you can say मेरे पेट में चूहे दौड़ रहे हैं. I could eat a horse, right? Next, very pleased. That is also very easy. I think I have underlined. I made you underline, but let me see. Very pleased. See, while discussing this chapter, I had made you underline. Pleased as punch. Right? Pleased as punch is an idiom which means that you are extremely happy. You are very pleased. So, pleased as punch. Next, to cause trouble. Trouble means unnecessary falling into a trouble. So this is kicking a hornet's nest. Kicking a hornet's nest. So you have to write it. Kicking a hornet's nest. Right? Kicking a hornet's nest. Next one, putting great effort. बहुत मेहनत करना. See, the sailors rowed with all their might to get away from it, right? Put great effort. Effort means with all their might. With all their might. Right? बहुत मेहनत करना. This is the idiom with all their might, and this is the answer. Now, next, run with as much as effort as possible. As much effort as possible. So that is also you can say he ran for their dear life. It's here. He ran for dear life. So you can write run for dear life. And the last one, to be so worried you do not know what to do. That is also here at this end corner. He was at his wits end. Wits end माने तुमको समझ ही नहीं आता है कि तुमको क्या करना है at that point of moment. So that means you don't know what to do. So you can write to be at wits end. Right? चलिए rapidly फटाफट से we'll repeat the answers. Now this time what I'll say the idiom and I'll give you the meaning, right? As far as the eye could see means for a long distance. A joy to behold means a thing or event that gives joy or happiness. I could eat a horse means used to say when someone is extremely hungry. Pleased as punch means very, very pleased. Kicking a hornet's nest means to cause trouble. With all their might means putting great effort. Run for dear life means run with as much effort as possible. And last one, to be at wit's end means to be so worried that you don't know what to do. So these are children idioms, जिसको हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं मुहावरे, और ये हैं उनके अर्थ, मुहावरों के अर्थ. So this is idioms, right? चलो, now next question, let us finish this also. Which idiom would you use if you were looking at the positive side of the situation? As I told you here, we should always have a positive side. So we will write to look on the bright side. There is no and space given, so you can write here to look on bright side. Right? To look on bright side. Now next, you missed your breakfast and lunch. आपने breakfast भी miss कर दिया, lunch भी miss कर दिया. So what would you say? I can eat a horse. I can eat a horse. That idiom, right? I can eat a horse. Now next, which idiom would you use if you got a new bicycle? You would be very, very happy. So you would be over the moon. What would be the answer? Over the moon, right? And when you saw a ghost, ghost matlab beta, ghost means bhoot, right? So when you see a ghost, you become nervous. So you go weak at the knees. So answer is go weak at the knees, right? So these are the idioms which you can use. इसके अलावा भी you can use many idioms, right? चलिए, hope you enjoyed today's session. We will meet tomorrow. Till we meet tomorrow, this is Disha ma'am signing off. Bye bye. Stay home, stay safe, and take very good care of yours. Bye bye. Bye children. This is the image of the answer that you can copy. In case अगर आपका रह गया मेरे साथ साथ लिखने में, तो you can copy this image, right? These are the answers. चलिए, bye bye.